Someone here has been trying very hard to distract themselves from you, but lately your energy has been hitting them out of nowhere. And I'm not talking about a small passing thought here. I'm talking about someone suddenly becoming emotionally, someone suddenly becoming emotional at night, replaying old memories, conversations, wondering if they made the biggest mistake of their life, is what they are thinking. And this person misses you more deeply than they are showing at night, especially at night. It's traumatizing for them. And spirit is already showing me tears, regrets, and emotional pressure building up around this particular connection. And this person is about to take a move out of impulse. So before we start, like this particular video and comment I claim this love to lock your energy into this particular reading. And please subscribe, because many people watch these readings daily but forget to subscribe, then YouTube stops recommending them the readings later. Also, if you understand Hindi or are from India, subscribe to my second channel, which is Luna the Moon Tarot Hindi. Long details reading are also going there too, and you can turn auto translations on if your language is different. Okay, now let's see why you have suddenly become impossible for them to forget. Okay, quickly laying out the cards here. So, namaskar everyone, my name is Neha Tankha, and you guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. I'm quickly shuffling the cards so that I do not get distracted in between the reading. So I like to lay my cards out. So today's energy feels incredibly emotional, no doubt, not dramatic, not chaotic, heavy, like someone has been carrying your energy silently in their chest for a very long time. And this feels like the kind of a connection where even after distance, even after silence, even after trying to move on, your presence still lingers inside of them. This person is so obsessed with you, and what's interesting is I don't think this person expected to feel this affected anymore, but lately, they have been emotionally. Something has shifted emotionally. Your absence has started speaking louder than your presence once did. And if you clicked on this reading feeling emotionally drained, confused, or missing someone badly, I truly feel this message found you for a reason. Okay, this message did found you for a reason. Your current energy, if you ask me, I feel that the first thing that I'm noticing about your energy right now, you are emotionally very tired, like literally very tired. You're pretending that you're okay. You've been trying to hold yourself together, trying to act so strong, trying to stop checking the energy, trying not to cry over the same person repeatedly. But deep down, I feel there's still emotional attachment here, and spirit keeps showing me disappointment, not just heartbreak, but disappointment, because you expected this person to fight for the connection the way you did. You expected consistency, you expected effort, you expected reassurance. Instead, you received confusion, and I think many of you became emotionally quieter over time. You stopped explaining your pain, stopped expressing your needs, is what I say, stopped asking for clarity as well, because you completely disconnected, disinterested. You were completely disinterested because a part of you became so exhausted emotionally, like so exhausted emotionally that you were hanging in the middle. Some of you still feel connected to them energetically, though, like randomly thinking about them intensely, dreaming about them, feeling emotional suddenly for no reason. This connection still feels spiritually active. Okay, now their energy. When I tap into their energy, wow is the word. The energy feels emotionally burdened lately, like literally burdened. I keep seeing someone sitting alone in silence, replaying memories repeatedly, and spirit keeps highlighting regret. Not tiny regret, but I feel heavy regret. This person misses the emotional comfort you gave them, the attention you gave them, the care you gave them, the way you genuinely understood them emotionally. That keeps on showing up. And I'm hearing nobody loves me the way they did. That sentence keeps repeating strongly, like very strongly. And for many of you, this person pushed emotions aside for a very long time, distracted themselves, stayed busy, avoided feelings, is what I see. But recently, everything started resurfacing emotionally. And I'm seeing random emotional triggers, songs, photos, places, your social media, even hearing your name unexpectedly. You've been appearing in their mind constantly lately. And honestly, trust me, it's becoming emotionally overwhelming for them. Okay, now I want to tap in the moment they realized your value, because they did. And this is important because spirit is showing me a specific emotional shift here, no doubt about it. Okay, I see so many things happening here. I see four of wheels, I see five of cups, and I see wheel of fortune. There was a moment where this person genuinely believed you would always stay emotionally available for them. They thought no matter what happens, they will still be there. But something changed recently. Here is what I see: your energy became quieter, maybe less available, less reactive, less emotionally attached outwardly, and that shook them. That shook them because now they are realizing your love was never guaranteed. Oh, wait, this is, this is huge. I'm suddenly, see, I feel some jealousy here. I see some jealousy also here. For some of you, they are wondering if someone new is entering your life. There is some sort of competition outside people involved. Comment hype and hype this particular video if this resonates, because the energy just became extremely intense and this person feels emotionally threatened by the idea of losing you permanently. And I think that realization is what cracked their heart open emotionally now. Hmm. Why they pulled away? This separation feels connected to emotional avoidance. This person had feelings, very deep feelings actually, but they struggled with emotional responsibility. Plus, I think this person was always working. And because they were always working, they didn't know what to prioritize when. Their entire energy was invested at their work. And whenever things became serious, they became inconsistent, hot and cold, present, then distant, loving, then silent, and ghosting energy. And spirit keeps showing fear of vulnerability, fear of commitment, fear of emotional dependence. And this person may also have unresolved wounds from past relationships or childhood emotional patterns. So instead of communicating openly, they actually withdrew. They withdrew completely, and unfortunately that withdrawal hurt you deeply, like literally deeply. Some of you blamed yourself for this reading, but Spirit wants you to understand their emotional confusion was never your fault. Was never your fault. Leo energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, very strong. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is also very strong here. What I feel they are hiding, if you ask me, this person is hiding how emotional they truly feel right now. how emotional they truly feel right now, and how frustrated they feel waiting for you. Externally, they may seem normal, detached, busy, but internally, their emotions feel chaotic lately. And I keep hearing, I thought I did be okay without them, but they are not okay emotionally, is what I see. They are not okay emotionally. They want to apologize. They want to come back to you. They want to balance the situation, this connection. This person misses talking to you, misses your energy, misses your emotional warmth, is what I see. And spirit keeps showing me silent, watching, checking your activity, looking for signs, trying to figure out whether you still care. Some of them even rehearse conversation with you mentally, because of course they are planning a big surprise. Like imagining what they would say if they reached out again. This person is carrying emotional guilt too. Trust me, and that's why they want to apologize. Especially guilt around hurting someone who genuinely loved them. Okay? Genuinely loved them. Let's see, when is the communication expected. Okay? Now let's just talk about communication. Okay. Because spirit is absolutely showing movement here. Definitely movement here. And interestingly, this communication feels emotionally impulsive. Like one night, they suddenly cannot hold it in anymore, and apology. Like 2 to 3 days. Maximum 4 days is when I'm seeing late night thoughts becoming too intense now, like too intense, and they are going to beg for a second chance. And for some of you, this starts indirectly, watching stories, liking something, sending a random message as well here, a casual one. But eventually I do see direct emotional communication for many of you. And this person feels nervous, very nervous. What if you push them away, you don't listen to them, because they know they disappointed you before. I'm also hearing, what if they don't want me anymore? That fear feels very real on their side now. Very real on their side now. Now, your advice: the spirit over here wants you to stop carrying all the emotional responsibility for this connection. You loved deeply, you cared deeply, you tried deeply. That matters. But your value does not decrease because someone else was emotionally confused here. And honestly, I feel many of you started abandoning yourself while trying, because you were confused while trying to save this connection. Spirit wants your energy back now, your peace, your confidence, your emotional stability. They want you to get justice. They want you to be in peace. Your peace, your confidence, everything back to you. Because when you stop chasing validation, your entire energy transforms. And strangely, that's when they that's when this person begins feeling your absence the strongest. Let's see the future, because the future energy feels very unfinished here. Sorry. I do not feel this connection is emotionally dead. I do not feel that at all. In fact, I see unfinished conversations here, and that happiness about to return. Unspoken feelings, delayed emotions, things that still need to happen between you two. For many of you, this person returns emotionally softer than before, more vulnerable, more emotionally honest, more aware of your value. And even if reconciliation happens slowly, the emotional realization has already begun. Leo energy, the sun, happy energy. You have been very heavy on their heart lately, trust me. So, I think that's all that I wanted to cover. So, if this reading resonated with your situation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Your your support truly helps this channel grow. And honestly, so many people watch these readings every day without subscribing, then later they can't find the videos again or my channel later. My YouTube membership is also open now for early access and exclusive readings. And if you would like personal tarot readings or white magic candle spells, all booking information, including Instagram and WhatsApp, is in the description box below. Okay, so you can hit me up right there. Also, subscribe to Luna the Moon Tarot Hindi channel for long Hindi readings as well. Thank you for spending your energy with me today. And this is Luna the Moon Tarot reminding you that love always returns where it truly, truly, truly belongs. Thank you so much for watching. And the spell word that I'm going to suggest is 7 Days Love Reconciliation Communication or 7 Days Love Obsession. You can hit me up on my DM or Instagram, and I would love to help you out. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying this long with me in this reading. I'm going to see you in the next one.